Namaste. Om Gurudevaya Namah. Om Ganganapataye Namah. Myself, Yogi and healer Anadi Narayan. Since 25 years, I am practicing Indian holistic alternative medicine. Near about 21 types of different therapy I have tried to learn, just like mud therapy, water therapy, sound therapy, color therapy, ayurvedic therapy, yoga therapy, acupressure, reflexology, meridianology, sujok therapy, like that. Specialization in acupressure, reflexology and yoga, especially now I am practicing. Since 3 to 4 years I am coming here, Mahavatar Foundation, Soul kshetra, working with Rangnath sir and by bless of Guruji. I am very happy to work here and serving people through this very good platform here to serve people. Especially I am going to tell you about acupressure and reflexology now. Acupressure especially is Indian therapy. Bhagavan Buddha taught their students about acupressure, and especially it's now developed in Japan, China, Thailand, Singapore, Malaysia. That Buddhist people only developed this more and more. Acupressure, just like the energy healing. In our body, life force energy channel is there. Everybody knows 72,000 of nadi spreading all over the body in our whole body. So it is just like acupressure, just like switch point. In each and every house has a switchboard, one for light, one for geyser, one for fan, like that. Like this, in our body, so many organs is there, and each organs has a switch point in our palm, feet, spine, ear, and some micro points also all over the body. Through acupressure, we are putting on that switch point to active that particular organ which is weak and particular part which is getting pain or strain or spasm, swelling, whatever there, it will stimulate that particular part through acupressure. Just like as an example, somebody getting headache, we are pressing this part, thumb side, it will reduce headache. Okay. Like that, somebody getting neck pain, we are pressing this part, it will stimulate the neck meridian point and reduce stiffness, active energy channel and reduce neck pain. Similarly, somebody getting shoulder pain, here we can press, that is the point of the shoulder region. If somebody getting stiffness in your neck and shoulder, it will reduce. Somebody getting eye problem, here one point is there, if you press here, it will stimulate the eye. Similarly, here if you press, it will active your ear. Okay. Somebody getting diabetes, sugar down, in this line, one line is there, here you press, it will stimulate the pancreas, create insulin, like that balance the sugar and diabetes. Like this, so many channels available and points, switch point available in our body, which is reduce pain, strain, and clear the disease, clear the blockages in our body, active life force channel, and will be fit and fine without taking medicine. Similar reflexology. Reflexology is developed in Europe and America some part. It is just like acupressure. It is just like massage therapy, the meridian points, especially palm, feet, ear and spine. Some part is there for different organs. That point we are stimulating and doing mild massage to clear the blockages and active energy channel in our body to reduce stress and pain management. It is very effective and without any side effect. It's work all over the body. It's very popular in Europe, America, Western country. So this is without medicine, without injection, without pain. We can use this, and it has not any side effect. It's very effective and effective medicine. So I am requesting everyone can follow this and take this treatment. It will help each and everybody and without side effect. This much. Namaste.